In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics code to Shopify. We'll walk through each step clearly, so whether you're a seasoned merchant or completely new to the platform, you'll be able to track your online store's traffic effectively. Let's begin by setting the stage for why integrating Google Analytics with Shopify is important. This powerful tool provides insights into your website's performance, helping you understand your audience, monitor traffic sources, and ultimately, make informed decisions to grow your business. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Analytics account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to set up. Visit the Google Analytics website and follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Once you've signed in, you'll need to create a property specifically for your Shopify store. Think of a property as a unique tracker tied to your website that collects and manages information. Click on Admin in the lower left corner of the screen, and in the Property column, click Create Property. Enter your store's information such as its name, the URL, and your preferred reporting time zone. Now, it's time to get what's known as your tracking ID. Once you've filled in the necessary information for your property, click Get Tracking ID. You'll be provided with a piece of code known as the global site tag or tag.js. This is the key piece that connects your Shopify store to your Google Analytics account. Next, we're going to bring this code into Shopify. Open your Shopify admin dashboard, and under the Online Store section, select Preferences. This is where you'll paste your Google Analytics tracking ID. Scroll down until you see the Google Analytics section. You should see a field marked Google Analytics account. In this field, enter your tracking ID, the series of numbers that looks something like UAXXXXX. After entering your tracking ID, make sure that the box labeled Enhanced E-commerce is checked. Enhanced e-commerce provides additional insights such as product performance and checkout behavior, making your analytics even more robust. Once you've double-checked that everything is correctly input, click Save to apply these changes. The final step is verification. Head back to your Google Analytics dashboard and go to the Real-Time section to confirm that data is flowing in. If you see active users, you're ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Analytics with your Shopify store. This setup will empower you with valuable insights, allowing you to refine marketing strategies and create a better shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.